What you just heard is brake noise coming from the rear disc brake while applying the brake. I have discussed a number of reasons on this with a detailed video in the past. We'll provide that video link in the description. But this time we are taking a different approach to damp the noise as the brake pads are fairly new. Most mechanics will go ahead and clean up the complete brake setup and sand down the pads, which effectively unmatches the frequency between the pads and the disc plate. Other than the dirt deposits, the screeching noise is primarily because of the resonance in frequency between the pads and the disc plate that amplifies the sound while braking. A good solution to this is to lubricate the caliper pin with high temperature brake grease and the back of the brake pads with a thin layer of this grease, which acts as a damping medium and reduces the brake noise. Do note, sometimes it is just your brake pad composition that will cause this.